Welcome to my channel. Today I got this beautiful plate from Clear Jelly Stamper. I bought this plate last week and today I want to try it out. It's a collaboration with Talia Snail Tales and it's number 16. It looks like this. It's all flowers and yeah, I'm looking forward to testing it out. So I'm gonna remove my old mani and get started with this. So let me go ahead and remove the blue film here. Starting out with the Essie. This one is called Take the Lead and it's from their new summer collection 2009. On my ring finger, I'm going to place some vinyls. I placed some more vinyls. Beauty Big Bang, new stamper. top coated with this new top coat I bought. It's from Essence, and it's a plumbing top coat. It's a new one. So let me try it. So it doesn't smudge this. Oh, sorry. I was out of focus. It doesn't smudge the stamping, so that's good. These are some nail stickers from Depend. I think they are a European brand. And they are quite expensive. A packet like this cost around $14, but they are very good quality. So this one was, no, like this. This one was here, so you can see how pretty they are. And then these. And then these. So there was a sale, and that's why I bought them. It was 50% off, and I bought 2 packets. Go down. These are the finished nails. If you have any questions, you're welcome to write it in the comment section. If you like my nail art, hit the thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe for more nail art videos. And I wish you a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.